Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, this is Marissa. I am here to show you, this was my project last Monday, and I'd like to show you how easy it is to reuse our surface. This is the base and board. And it is, the actual board is double-sided, but I just want to show you how you can reuse this over and over again. We're going to do that, and I'll show you how we can clean this up. So all you need is water, because when the chalk paste gets dry, you can't, you can't even smudge it or anything. It's when it's dry, it's smudge proof. However, if you'd like to change up the design on the board, that's very easy to do. All you have to do is spray it, get it back to being wet, and once it's wet, take a wipe and just erase. How cool is that, huh? Very easy. So now this board is ready to be reused. Just let it dry and then it's ready to be used again. But in this case, I'm not going to wait for it to dry because I can just use the back portion of it. So what we're going to work on today is using the Actually I Can transfer. I've already used this transfer before, and as usual, we have our towel here. We have the two chalk pastes I'm going to work with. This is the grape soda, and this is white, bright white. We have Actually I Can transfer here. It's been already used. I have the base and board here that we have in our website. And speaking of website, my website is in the description below for Chalk Couture. I have my water bath here and my towel here so we can fuzz our transfer. So without further ado, let's play with this. I'm going to show you guys a new technique, and the technique is ombre. Let's see. Just peel off our transfer, fuzz it, and then we put it on. I'm gonna go off camera for a few seconds so I can line this up. When you line your transfer, think about how you want your base board or your board to sit. Is it going to be this way, or is it going to be this way, portrait or landscape style? In this case, we're going to do landscape, but the board has about, maybe I would say, half an inch in. So that's why when you put down your transfer, take out, or imagine taking out one half of an inch from your board already, and then that's how you center your transfer. So in this case, for this one, I'm putting it up, the top of the transfer up against the top of the board. Okay, I think that's centered enough, because I'm looking at this half an inch that's gonna go in the base later. Okay, so that's just me being me. Okay guys, what I'm planning to do is put the grape soda on top, and then I'm going to put the bright white in the middle, and then ombre in between. So let's get started. Let's see how our grape soda's consistency is. Ooh, it looks okay. Oh no, it's thick. So let's stir it. Okay, and I think I'm good with the consistency, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that on the very top. I know for a fact our white should be okay. So let's work fast because you want both colors to be okay to blend later. Okay. Okay, let's leave a little bit here so we can blend that. And then put that on the side. And we're gonna have to work fast because I don't want this to dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the white down here. And I know the white is good because, well, I just did it before we filmed. Okay, so there you go. Oh no. Okay, and then put a little bit of white on the top here because we need it so that we have something to blend. Okay, and then wait, I want to make sure that this is okay. I'm putting the excess on the top, and then we spray our finger. Spray our fingers so if my finger is wet, and then start blending. Okay. Oh no, I put some over there. That's okay though. Okay guys, let me just clean my hands, or yeah, my fingers. So I want to take the excess out from there. Clean it, excess out, clean it, excess out. All right. Okay guys, are you ready for the reveal? I am. Uh-oh, my hands are dirty. I don't want to see all that ink or that paste. Okay, reveal time. Ah, that is so cool. Oh, I like the way it turned out, guys. I was a little worried that because I had that little bit of grape soda over there. And guys, where you see when you have something like this, just get your wipe and then just wipe it off, or a Q-tip and wipe it off. Just wipe it off. Okay guys, actually I can. So where you see some fuzziness there, you can go ahead and clean that up with a Q-tip. Let me show you how to do it. Before I clean them, let me go ahead and close up my paste. Again, spritzing water onto them, making sure the edges, the sides, and the top are clean so that we won't have any, it won't be hard to open later. And then clean up the sides again of this grape soda and the top. Close it up for future use. Okay, so let's get back to this project. So I'm spraying a Q-tip here. I think this is like a makeup Q-tip. I want to make sure that it is wet. There you go. And then you can go back and clean up the edges. Clean them up to make them look sharper if you don't like the fussiness that's around your letters. And then I would go back with the rounded tip that's dry. And then I see some over here I need to clean up. And on top of that C, or at the bottom of the C. And then the A is not quite. This is what happens, guys, when you have bubbles, which I didn't really check for bubbles earlier because I wanted to show you how you can clean your projects if that happens. So just use your Q-tip, find a Q-tip that has one end that's pointy and the other is not. And there you guys go. And you can start cleaning it up the best that you can. Again, if anything, you can just start over. You saw how I cleaned up, spraying some water onto it, and then start over. Actually, I can, guys. So how cool is that? I'm so in love with Couture because there's a lot of stuff you can do for it, and you can just go ahead and sky's the limit for whatever you want to do with it. You can use this as your display at work or at home. And then of course you can also do the other side if you want it double-sided. And there you guys go. You can put another transfer here, and if you get tired of that, you can get tired of one side, just go ahead and flip it over. And then, or what you can do too is just create a new one. Okay guys, that's it. Very easy, Couture. All the information, the link to the website is down in the description below. Please join my VIP Couture with Scrapbooks Hawaii in Facebook. And so you can avail of discounted kits and supplies. Again, this is only for my friends and family, my friends, you guys who are interested in Couture goodness. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.